how it looks.
Oh, it's beautiful, brother. You really outdid yourself. This is amazing. You did a great job.
Thank you. Hello everyone, right here once more EM Upholstery Technology. We are doing our LeatherTeck kit. This is going onto a 2023 Chevy Silverado. This is the extended cab truck. We're gonna be installing a black wrap with a stone stitch, single diamond tech stitch in the centers. And this is the toy. And again, when we have horrible, stinky, ugly cloth seats, the customer doesn't like it. We're gonna be doing a replacement with our leather kit. Brand new truck, nothing wrong with it. Couple of holes in the driver's seat, but that's an accident, I believe. This is what we're talking about all the time. Easily stained seats, then holds odors and it stinks. Hard to clean, hard to maintain, and the look is just not there. So we're gonna go in chapters. This is the first section, and remember, you can always get your leather kits right here at LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. People in YouTube, like and subscribe, and keep on looking for the next chapter in this process. And visit us right here in our location in San Bernardino, California, 703 South Gifford. Click in the link below and make an inquiry. Start the buying process. We have our interactive website, so you can put your vehicle's year, make, and model, and you can take a look at the options that we have available for you to buy. Okay, we want to continue, and I see you guys in the next chapter.
Comfort like you've never seen. Forget the past, now it's time to glow. LeatherTeck's the place you gotta go. Yeah, leather dreams are calling your name. Comfort and style, ain't it all the same? Feel the luxury wrapped around. At LeatherTeck, love's where you're bound. Oh, days of discomfort, now they fade. Your ride's got an upgrade, custom made. Sit back, relax, feel the class. With every mile, you'll feel the sass. No more saddle sores, no more fight. Every journey feels just right. From stinky to sleek, what a thrill. LeatherTeck's got that skill. Turn the key, let the envy start. Friends will wanna ride.
Hey, clients are saying it.
They're really good, guys. They're really good. They made a believer out of me. Wow.
All right, you heard it.